back to my channel, Cheryl here. Welcome back to another vlog. So right now I'm planning to organize this area in front of the kitchen. It's like a little nook to put protein powder, tea, bottles, tumblers, cookbook and all that jazz. It's been really messy, so I'm just thinking to, organize everything, keep everything not as messy as it looks. And it's been a mission because I haven't done it for a while, and now I just want to keep it together before it gets messier. Let me show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like right now. Basically just shoving everything in. Well, I kind of have like those divider to put the multivitamins and all these like nutritious like powders and stuff in there, but it's still kind of messy, so just want to make sure everything's more organized. Got one of these cubes, which is like a wooden box to store things away, like bottles, tumblers, something we don't use every single day. Also want to talk about my nails. Like, I recently got them done. Shout out to Cherilissa. She is amazing. I gave her like a general idea of what I want, and she came up with all these cute little geometric design, and I love my nails. Yeah, it's very cool. So yeah, our new nail design. Anyways, I'm gonna put some stuff in there. After organization, and this little nook looks like this. Basically got rid of a lot of products that either like expire or don't fit the shelf or the space. So the first shelf, let me tell you, I have nutritional powder and just like superfood type of stuff. Goji berries, chia seeds, turmeric powder, matcha powder, maca powder, marine collagen, protein powder, and the nutritional book. Second shelf, I have all the tea that we've been loving. The middle container, we have supplements, and this wood box I actually put bottles and miscellaneous stuff in there, so like things you don't use every single day. And the third shelf, I have my favorite Dyson vacuum, and then all these like cleaning supply and stuff, and the wipes. I end up getting 2 more of those boxes to put things away, and now this is way more organized than before.
I see you watching me when we're with our friends. It's definitely something in the air, so let's take it from there, 'cause I know you want it, afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow? I think it's time we stop tipping on our toes.
This is the dinner of the night. So tonight is kind of like a lazy night dinner. I made ramen, these 2 ramen, 2 bowls of ramen, and we have fresh lettuce for the both ends. I did not make this. I just picked them up from the Korean grocery store. I basically just broil kind of like a cooked pork belly and meat, and they will have some garlic, jalapenos on the side. That's the kimchi, like radish, just pick up from the grocery store. I do not know how to make them, but I would love to learn because they're delicious. So yeah, still trying to be healthy with that lettuce just to wrap the meat, and with these ramen. We pretty much name all of our plants. They all have different names because of their unique looking and like personality. So yeah, let me just give you like a general introduction of some of my plant babies. This is Zeus, Bloomy, Kevin, Franz, Herman, and the corner name is Matilda. So yeah, these are some of my plant babies.
Hey.
Oh baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control, out of control. I'm in love. I'm in love. Yeah. Just like I am dreaming, walking around in this love haze. I wanna stay in this feeling.
Hey there, Cheryl here. So right now we're on our way to a wedding.
I finally stopped running now. With you, I found my peace somehow.
Look at these like Halloween decor. That's like gold. They're doing it, and that's like they're doing it nice.
I'm in love with you in every way. The joy you give me every day makes me forget that I was troubled before. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never
Now we're at the reception of the wedding, like a house by the beach. Super cool. Look at this location. Look at how pretty. This like pedal-filled pool.
felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I know I can be safe with you. You want me now, I know you do. I know you're being patient and I